Well, hello. I recently decided to make a Japanese toolbox. I used reclaimed pallet wood to do this. Quite a bit of labor to do the reclamation of pallet wood because of all the work necessary to turn it into usable lumber. It was all done by hand tools, scrub planes, manual panes, etc., to create the pieces of lumber that were able to be glued together and utilized in the construction of this Japanese toolbox. Quite a few Japanese toolboxes out there on the internet. This one is pretty standard as far as the design goes. However, I did do one thing that I haven't seen done, and that really has to do with the use of outfitting this. Okay, internal to the box, I've made trays, but these trays are outfitted with a cleat. Okay, so I'm able to quickly come over to the side and put it on the cleat that I installed on the ends of the box. So now each of the trays have a place to go wherever I'm working at, and it gives access to the full contents of my Japanese toolbox that I have with me. So there you have it. That's what I've done with it so far. Again, all made with reclaimed wood, reclaimed furniture pieces, etc. It's a toolbox. It's a utilitarian piece for me, and it was made for secondary tools that I just throw in and take with me somewhere. All right. Thank you.